Let's take a look at these super cool bar stools right here. We've had these for a few years and they've been working out great for us. There's the other one right there. One of the things I absolutely love about this is the details in here. I love this little black right here. And this is a great blue color. As you can see, we're kind of like got some blue going on in here. Um, and they are adjustable. They go up and down and they swivel. I shall demonstrate. They swivel and they do go whoop down, and to go up you just have to push that and take your weight off of it. And then you can adjust it to the appropriate height, although this is already all the way up is good for bar stool height. So if you need a kind of modern, kind of cool looking stool, I highly suggest this. And it comes in lots of different colors too. And we've had it for over 2 years. And we've had many parties here and they're still going strong. So